SalsaFitt.
Welcome to SalsaFitt, the community where dancing becomes collective wellness. Let's get started. First, download our app from your App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up and have access to SalsaFitt platform's content. You will find hundreds of fitness routines. Safety's first, so wear the harness and start dancing right away. You can dance to basic, medium, and advanced levels. You can even do so with different trainers. Believe us, dancing will work out all of your body areas. At SalsaFitt, music inspires us, so we will be sharing content created by amazing artists with you. Rhythms are mixed and filled with good vibes so that your body gets the most positive results. SalsaFitt is also a great source of health and wellness content, rich in healthy diets and meal plans, as well as other useful information to improve not only your body, but also your mind. SalsaFitt Harness. Our unique and innovative harness to work out your entire body features interconnected 10, 15, and 20 pounds elastic bands, which are always comfy and easy to use. You will see results in the short run. The only thing you have to do is order it through our app, and don't worry, we take several payment methods. Our workout routines are a cool way to tone up your legs and glutes, reduce body fat, and improve cardiovascular fitness. By using our app, you can solve two problems. First, save time. Work out from home with our 12-minute routines and avoid getting stuck in traffic on your way to the gym. Second, see short-term results in your body. Harness and eating properly are our wonder twins. You can also book in advance or schedule an appointment with a SalsaFitt personal trainer or any other personal trainer. It's time to work out in your home, your office, or even outdoors. You're the boss. Now, if you already have it all, why not work with us? Join our team of personal trainers, make some money, and get great benefits. Be part of this great community. Let's celebrate life. SalsaFitt.